Hey, third grade. I hope you had a great time doing the Metric Olympics yesterday, and I hope you have a great time doing it today. Let's just go over your lessons for today. So, the lesson explanations, please make sure you're doing these each day. They are part of your lesson, they are a requirement because instead of doing a Google Meets, these are taking the place of our Google Meets. So these are kind of like, it's just not explaining the lessons, but it might be explaining what's going on in math or something that's coming up next week. So please make sure you're doing them each day. There are going to be two of them today. And so if you go to your third grade classroom, it'll say lesson explanation number one will be at the top because I'm filming it now, but there's a lesson explanation two, and then there's going to be a meter race that you'll have to watch Mr. Mangino explain how the meter race works, okay? So make sure that you are going to your Google Classroom to check those. And also, I wish I could link them, but they don't hook up and they won't show that you've completed them. And also, double check your Google Classroom. Make sure you're going through the assignments and making sure that they say completed or graded, because if they just say assigned, that means you have not done them. So you may want to go back and make sure you have all of those done. And your warm up today is simply just to stretch your legs because you are going to be doing a short little race, a jump, and a lunge. Okay, so stretch those legs out, get ready for today's events. In today's events, you're going to have the long jump. I don't want you running and doing the long jump though. Excuse me. And then there will be a lunge and then the 3 meter race. And that's also on Edpuzzle. Like I said, Mr. Mangino has made a video for you. But unlike yesterday, if you did not send me a video, I want you to send me a picture of you doing at least one of the events. You can send me a video of all the events. I just want to see what my students are doing because I miss you guys. And so the lunch might be an easy one to go ahead and take a picture of you lunging. You can do it in Google Classroom, or you can do it on Class Dojo. You can have your parents take a picture, however you want to do it, however you want to share. I just want to see you doing the events because it fills my heart. And then, as always, there is the wrap up section. Some of you are emailing me, but please put your questions on the third grade question form, okay? And remember, put it at the top. I don't know why this says fourth grade. Oh, maybe because I'm in fourth grade and I'm not in third grade. You're doing the same thing. And so you're going to put your questions in here if you have any questions. Like I said, put them in there, not an email. I get a gazillion emails a day. Not that I don't want to hear from you, but I check the wrap-ups before I check my email. So let's just revisit once again your lesson explanation, 2 videos today. You can find them in Google Classroom. Your warm-up is to stretch your legs and then compete in the long jump, no running, the lunge, and the 3 meter race. And if you have any questions, you do the wrap up. I hope you guys have a day, and I hope you get out there, enjoy that beautiful weather, and I hope you're enjoying the Metric Olympics. Wish we were on the magical carpet, but we can't be. But remember, I love you. Hasta la pasta. Bye.